This is just a little clip showing our ride from Barstow, California to Groveland, where Yosemite is. It's a pretty nice day, and we're finally out on the West Coast.
Coming up.
Had me concerned. All their diesel fuel said bio, and it smelled different. And there was the sign on the pump, check with your manufacturer. Hey, it's kind of late right now, buddy.
I gotta go in. Whatever you do, you want to carry your keys.
This part right here, man, it was some beautiful territory, and the roads were smooth. And I'm kind of anticipating a little bit of, hey, these heights aren't that bad. I can deal with this.
Let's put on the brakes the whole time. Roberts Memorial Bridge.
Next 6 miles.
Beep, beep.
Is there another way to get out of here?
No. Oh yeah, there is, but you don't want to go that way. Ooh. I'm not even sure I want to ride on this shit.
Damn,
Okay.
nothing. Should I pull through?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
This is the part, if you know me, I don't like, man, being on the edge there. When I look up and all I see is some sky and the turn like the end of the earth. Oh man, I didn't even have time to pucker on this one. I mean, it came up so fast on me. I never puckered. Coming through the town of Groveland. We're only about 3 or 4 miles after we leave the town from the campground. This is a cool looking little town, and I guarantee you I'll be back. We'll all be back here now. If it's on bikes, that's about as far I'm going to go away from the campground in that direction. But a lot of times I got to kill the audio on these things because I got the radio playing, and if I put it on YouTube or even Facebook, they'll ban the video. So we're listening to some good tunes right now. And then as soon as we leave the town, we end up coming into our campground. And I hope to have some video getting up to this point. If I have some time today, it's supposed to be raining. We'll see. And I got a few little projects to work on our RV. But here's the campground, and it's pretty good size, and it's definitely nice to have 4-wheel drive, but I've seen a lot of Class A's. Man, I didn't see too many. Yeah, there's a few Class A's, but I've seen a few Class C's here, and they seem to get up and park pretty good. All right, we'll be bringing more video, I hope, whenever we get the chance. Later, guys. And yes, my buddy was right. My buddy Doug said, Mike ain't going to like that. Mike didn't.